Hi, today I'm very excited to show you a very special feature of WordPress Download Manager. The feature is called Email Log. Sometimes for your tracking need or customer support requirements or marketing need, you might want to collect your customers or visitors' email. With Email Log, you can do this thing very easily. Now, let me show how you can do this. I have created here 3 examples for you. Now let's go to the example number 1. See, this is the example number 1. After doing your upload and other related tasks, you need to go to straight to the package settings area. In the package settings area, you will have an option called lock options. In the lock options tab, there are so many options. You need to click over enable email lock. After clicking over enable email lock, it will allow you to give a title, and it will also allow you to ask your visitor's name. After that, there are 3 more options. That's why I have created 3 packages for you. First one is mail download link. It will allow you to mail the download link to your customer's email. I'm updating it from here. Now let's see how it works and looks like. This is the example number 1. Whenever your customer will click over the download, it will ask for your customer's name and email. After clicking over download, it will give your customer a notification that download link sent to your email. Now let's see how it works. We need to go to the subscribers area. See, in the subscriber area, the email ID is already here, and download was approved. Now let's go to the option number 2. This is example number 2. After doing your upload and other related tasks, go straight to the package settings area, click over lock options tab, do the same thing. Enable email lock. It will ask for a title, and you can also ask for your visitor's name. See, here I have checked the second option, what was wait for approval. It will allow your customer to wait for your approval. Now let's see how it works. I'm updating it from here. Let's see the package, and let's see how it works. Whenever your customer will click over download, it will ask for your customer's name and email. Here I'm giving a different email. Yes, after clicking over it, it will give a notification that the admin will review your request soon. Now let's see how it works. Let's go to the subscribers area. See, the email ID is already there, and here there is an option called approve. Whenever you approve it, your customer will get a notification with the download link. Now let's go to the example number 3. In the example number 3, I have done all my tasks and uploading, and let me go to the package settings area, click over lock options, enable email lock, title, it is already there, and I have checked the third options, that is called download instantly. You can also check this box if you don't want to mail the download link. Otherwise you can uncheck it. Let me check it here, update it from here. Now let's see how it works. Whenever your customer will click over download, it will ask for customer name and email. I'm giving another email here. Download. Let's see. It is allowing your customer to download instantly. So now let's go to the subscriber area to see how the backend looks like. The email is already there and the thing was approved. This is how you can collect your customer's email. And after doing this, you can also export these emails in two ways. First option is click over here, the export unique emails option. If you click over this option, it will allow you to get all the unique emails. See, some customer might download several times. So whenever they click over download, whenever they download a new file, there will be so many files. All the downloads information will be here, including the email. So after clicking over this option, whenever you use this option to export, you will only get the unique emails. No duplicate will be there. But if you want to export all the trackings, what packages they have downloaded, you can click over here, this export all. This will allow you to get all the informations that is stored here. Thank you.